Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the opacity of the stroke on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, here is an option. You can see here open editor, click on that. So for adjusting the opacity of the stroke, first you just need to upload an image. I'm just going to upload an image from here. And so for adjusting the opacity of the stroke, first you just need to add the stroke. So for adding a stroke, here on the top you can see an option called edit, click on that. And then here on the left you can see an option called stroke, and here you can see that it had been turned off. So by clicking it you can turn it on. So now you can see that you had been added the stroke. So for adjusting the opacity, here from you can see an option called opacity. From here you can just adjust it. Now you can see that you had been adjust the opacity of the stroke on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.